Hi there, I'm Chloe, Head of Content here at Ortto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a pie chart report in Ortto. To start, navigate to Analytics, Reports, and New Report. You can select a template here, but today I'm going to show you how to build from scratch. Now you can see we have 10 different report types, each of which serves a slightly different purpose. Now let's say I've been using email reactions on all my email content for my fake business picture, and I want to get an understanding of sentiment. A pie chart is best for comparing activities and their attributes and for visualizing the part to whole relationship between them. So it's the best choice for this report. Now, I'll start by adding my first metric. I can use any activities, fields, or org fields in this account. I'm going to go with reacted to email. Now, this is all of my reactions. I want to group these by the reaction type. So I'm going to go ahead and say group by attribute or field and choose reaction type. Now I have this lovely visual report that shows me exactly the percentage of each reaction type over the last 30 days. But I want to learn a little more. So if I wanted to, I could drill down further and look at the split of reactions across different campaign names, email names, or, for example, audiences. But let's say today I want to understand where that angry and dislike sentiment is coming from. I want to see where the negativity is coming from. So I'll go ahead and use this where field to choose reaction type. Then I can choose is, dislike, and use this plus button to create an or group, angry. Okay, done. So now I have reacted to email where reaction type is dislike or angry. Down here, I want to group by the campaign name so I can understand where it's coming from. So I'll just select that here, and now you can see my report here. If I had more campaigns, I could choose to display 20 options or 30. But I'm just going to leave this as 10 because that's all I've got. Okay, so if I wanted to filter the whole report, I can add a filter here. For example, let's filter by audience, member of audience is subscribers. Done. Then I could choose to change the time frame. I'm going to leave this as is because I'll switch it to dynamic after I click create. Now, down here, there are some advanced settings. I can choose how the report is displayed, whether I see values or a percentage. I could choose to display this as a donut. I could choose to display empty attribute values as unknown, and I can choose whether I want to group remaining responses by others. I'm going to leave this one and display it as a donut. And finally, I can choose whether I want to exclude members of my suppression filter. You can set your suppression filter up in your settings and it will apply to all reports where this box is checked. My account has a suppression filter for any internal email addresses and anyone marked as spam. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this selection checked. Now, finally, I'll give this report a name: Negative Sentiment by Campaign. Great. Now I'll go ahead and click create. And here I can pin this report to a dashboard, or I can switch it to dynamic so that I can change this time frame. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now I'll receive an email as soon as my dynamic report is ready, and then I can check back and change the time frame as I like. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to hit subscribe so that you'll be notified next time we drop a new video. Thank you.